Okay, now let's have a look at the actual inverse variation question you get in the textbook. It's question 12 for advanced students, 11 for extension. They say, I don't care what a uniformly elastic demand curve, I don't care if it's a fig zig, I just care is P for price, I care that it's Q for quantity, and I care that they've given me this formula. And if I wanted to rearrange that formula, it would be, if you could do P equals T over Q, or you could do Q equals T over P. Doesn't matter which, you'll get the same answers as we go. So, question 11A or 10A, they said P is $6. So P is $6. They've said Q is 400,000. They want to know T. So PQ equals T. So that's 6 times 400,000 equals T. So it's 2,400,000. That's how much money they should actually make in sales if they've sold that many of them for that much each. It's 240 grand. 2,400,000. Okay. Question B. The company's board of directors want to raise it to $8. So that's P. $8. How many can they expect to sell? So we should still have the same T. The turnovers from sales should be the same. So it's going to still equal 2,400,000. It's just P this time is 8, and we don't know Q. So for Q, we're going to do 2,400,000, which say small and chosen smaller numbers, over 8. So Q will be 300,000. We're going to sell 300,000 for them. So of them. So if we raise the price to $8, we only sell 300,000. We'll still make 2,400,000. Why am I having so much trouble with that number? In sales. Question C. Under this model, what will happen if the price is doubled instead? So now we're going up to $12. 2,400,000. So Q is that over 12, which will come out as 200,000 sales we'll have. Because we started off by selling 400,000, now we're only selling 200,000 instead. And D, they want us to sketch this with Q on the horizontal axis and P on the vertical axis. Given that P is on the vertical axis, P is my Y. So I've got T on Q. I know what T is. It's 2,400,000. 2,400,000. And that's over Q. So you can see that we've got a hyperbola, because our X or Q is on the bottom. And every time we do that, we will have a hyperbola. Which means we can be really lazy and just sketch this like it's the positive half of a hyperbola, because it doesn't make sense to make negative sales. How badly are you doing? So this is P, this is Q. And I'm going to be so lazy that I'm just going to go... I'm going to put some points in. So if, for example, if this is... if my quantity is 200,000... actually, I should move that over. Let me get this point. That's going to annoy me if I don't get it. There we are. So maybe that's 200,000 and this is 400,000. And I don't have a point here. Then this point, we calculated it, 200,000, we're going to sell $12. 400,000, it was $6. So this is the point 200,000, comma 12. And this is the point 400,000. I'll get confused if I put a comma there. 400,000, and we're selling them for $6 each in this one. That's fairly self-explanatory.